This activity is designed for second graders who are expected to know numbers up to 1,200 fluently. In this activity, students look at the clues and fill in rest of the boxes. Please laminate these cards and provide a dry erase marker so that students write on the cards directly before they transfer onto the task card. Now let's look at these numbers, the clue. It looks like this is 1024 and the next number is 1034, and that means 24, and there is these numbers are counting by tens or skip counting by 10. So if this is 1034, the next number would be 1044 and 1054. Now counting backwards, 1014, 1004, 94, 994, 984, and 974. If students are confused with these numbers, they can use these reference cards and take a look at counting by tens. So 1024, the next number is 1034, 1040, because these are counting by tens. And then 1014, 1004, 994, 984, and 974. Now that this strip is correct, this card, the numbers are correct, I'll go transfer them onto the task card. 974, 984, 994, 1004, 1014, 1024, 1034, 1044, and 1054. Since these cards are laminated, students will erase these and get these cards ready for the next station. Directions help students work on this activity independently, all these cards, problem cards. And teacher exemplar sets expectations. Here are the answers. Answers provide immediate feedback.